held in connection with the Sarethu Primary School attack in Garissa County that claimed the lives of 4 pupils. This is according to Garissa County Commissioner Meru Mwangi. Our reporter Hamza Yusuf with that story.
Well, good morning, Brenda. What happened yesterday at Sarethu location, the Dab constituency in Garissa County, is still fresh in minds of many residents and Kenyans at large. 4 innocent people, 3 from the same family members, were massacred in cold blood morning by people who are suspected to be Al-Shabaab. According to Garissa County Commissioner Mr. Mwangi Meru, he said they managed to kill 2 Al-Shabaab members and they're still pursuing 8 others who are said to have crossed to the side of Somalia. KTN News managed to speak to Mohammed Farah, Mohammed Farah, a class 6 people who managed to escape from that attack. Hundreds gathered to mourn with the family members who lost their loved ones in last night's terror attack at Sarethu location in Garissa County. Armed gunmen who were said to be about 30 in number stormed the village, destroyed a telecommunication mast before spraying bullets at a nearby primary school, killing 4 people instantly and injuring several others. Waliwauliza kitu yote?
Hapana. Waliingia tu wakasema alikuwa watoto ndogo wapigeni alafu katoroka.
Ati umesema rudia hapo, umesema?
Wakaingia wakasema walikuwa watoto wadogo wapige mbaya alafu katoroka.
Unasema wamepiga watoto?
Yeah.
Ulikuwa unatafuta akina nani?
Sijui.
Sasa wewe umeumia?
Yeah.
Sasa wewe umeumia mahali, umeumia wapi?
Mguu.
Umekupiga risasi mguu?
Yeah.
Wewe umeponyoka aje kwa ile kifo? Ulikuwa chini ya kitanda, wewe ukaingia chini ya kitanda?
Yeah, niliingia chini ya kitanda. Alafu nikatoroka. Alafu wakakuja wamenipiga risasi nyuma.
Wewe uko class ngapi?
Class 6.
Wewe uko class 6, wale wanafunzi wengine?
8 na 7.
Wako class?
7 na 8.
Class 7 na 8.
Yeah.
Nyinyi mlifungua shule ndo mkakuja?
Yeah.
Hakuna watoto wengine shule?
Tulikuwa sisi watu.
Nyinyi mlikuwa 4 tu?
Yeah.
Hakuna watoto wengine shule?
Yeah.
Out of 4 students, 3 are from the same family members. 16 years old Abdi Fatah Muhammad, class 7 student. 15 years old Abdirahman Ibrahim, class 7 student. 15 years old Abdi Majid Mohammed, class 6 student. And 14 years old Suleiman Mohammed, class 4 student.
Then to me, I was sleeping in my house. And the children were sleeping at the other quarters. I just waited. I heard some shout. People saying, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. We just, at around 5 o'clock, some soldiers came to my room and they told me to wake up. I opened the house. They told me 4 boys are dead. I told him, what? Some boys are dead in that house. Do you know them? I told them I have to go and see them. Then after I have checked, I have seen these boys are some of my brothers and the other ones have escaped. If they have killed this innocent 14-year people, an innocent 14 years people, me, the head teacher of Sarethu Primary, I think even they could cut me into pieces. Forget about killing me. The deceased were buried in accordance with Islam religion at a nearby cemetery. Besides so many terror attacks in the Dab constituency and Garissa County, this is the first incident here in Sarethu. People here told us they gave prior information to the government.
Na tunaomba serikali achukue hatua na sisi kusema kweli hawezi lala kama tunaona watu ambao wamemalizwa na serikali hawezi kulala na ametumia sisi watoto wetu ambao wale wadogo amemalizwa ni hawa ni mnyama ambao na binadamu. Garissa County Commissioner Mwangi Meru says they are still hunting the militia. He says 2 people have been arrested in connection to the attack.
Officers, our Garant officers were able to repass them and they were able to have 2 of them fatally killed also, and they are still pursuing them because we have been informed about where the direction that they took, and we want to ensure that we shall pursue them to a logical conclusion so that this kind of a threat to the locals to the residents who are innocent, to the children who are completely innocent, have been affected, and we want to make sure that they can run, but they will not hide from the strong arm of the government.
Garissa, Wajir and Mandera counties enjoyed calm period late last year until the renewed Al-Shabaab attacks in the coastal and northeastern region. But it seems Kenyans have accepted terrorism is like any other event that should happen weekly, once or twice. According to elders from this area, they're saying if this is the channel that the government want to use by acting swiftly whenever attack happens, then this is not working. What they're saying is it's important to have fresh ideas to tackle the Al-Shabaab operation. Remember, as I said yesterday, former spy Mr. Neko Demas Ndala is the new regional commissioner here in Northeastern, and all eyes are on him, hoping that he will bring to an end on what is happening in this part of the country.
Thank you so much, Hamza Yusuf, our man on the ground in Garissa County, just bringing us up to date with that third incident that happened there on Monday night. Now, taking us to a short commercial break here on KTN News Center. I'll be right back.